अब इसका गली का शॉट लिए. A member of an organization called AMPI, and AMPI with the help of Health Hyderabad, Dr. Ghaus Khadri, Major Ghaus Khadri is there, who is the president of Health Hyderabad. With him is Dr. Imad, and he is one of their founder members, and representing AMPI is Dr. Ashraf Habib, and he is kind enough to come and join us. He's been visiting. And next to him is Colonel Ali, who is the Secretary of Health Hyderabad, and that is Dr. Imad's son, Zubair. So as you can see, we are, and that is Zahid Khadri, who has been very active also helping us with this venture. As you can see, we're standing outside. This is the main road on which the Health Hyderabad clinic is located. This is actually the side entrance, and as we speak, I'll walk over to where we actually enter the clinic. You can see the board, that is the Health Hyderabad board, and as we come down, you can see the slum all the way down there, and the clinic entrance itself is a small entrance here. We have tried very hard to maintain a clean environment, so the walls are painted. As you will go inside, it's an exceptionally clean clinic. So please follow me. As the patients enter, they come into the small area where they can take out their shoes and wash their hands if they wish. And they come over here, and this is a waiting area. And please take note how clean the floor is. Please bend here. It's clean the floor is, and these are some fans so that they can stay cool. I will take you down to the next room here, which is not populated, but I'll let the cameraman go ahead and shoot it. This is a room which now has half a dozen or so beds. It used to be an educational part, but we have now turned it into an area where patients, they come in and need IV fluids or some other urgent care, they may receive it. So if you go back out here again, we will be walking into this area where the first room I'll introduce you to is the pharmacy itself, and our pharmacist is Dr. Mr. Munawar. Mr. Munawar, आप इधर आएं. Assalamu alaikum. So this is Mr. Munawar. So can you please take a shot of the medications we have? Then आप बताएं कि what medications are you giving out?
Paracetamol syrup and this is cough syrup.
Zorsab.
This is cough syrup and this is paracetamol syrup.
और दूसरी चीजें जो
This is amoxicillin 250 and this is ampicillin 250 capsules.
So we give out antibiotics. कितने दिन की देते हैं आप antibiotics?
3 days.
We give it for 3 days so that the patient can come back, and when the patient comes back, he can be re-examined and given the rest of the medications. These medications are given free.
free, totally free of course.
They are absolutely free, and that actually is the major expense for this clinic. We're trying to get the medications through generic forms, and we're networking so that we can go ahead. बताया?
We buy the medicine from the wholesalers, which is given to us like any other hospital, etc., at a cost lesser than the MRP which is printed on the medicines. And now the government is also coming up with so many projects, and we are into it. We are buying from them also. Now over to Dr. Javed.
The clinic also has 2 nurses, and I'll introduce you to them in a second. And आपका नाम बता दें. And आपका नाम? तो ये बताएं कि आप यहाँ पे क्या करती हैं, कितनी देर करती हैं, what do you do, how do you have?
My night shift 5 to 9 p.m. 5 to 9 p.m. sir. IVC injections, in medicines, glucose IV सब लगाते हैं.
ये clinic runs 6 days a week.
Utilization
The only day when it's not running is Friday, and it starts in 2 shifts. सुबह की शिफ्ट कब शुरू होती है? 12:30 से 5 और फिर थोड़ा ब्रेक.
No break.
No break.
We have
फिर आप-
an overlap as a matter of fact.
5 to 9 p.m.
और सुबह की शिफ्ट में कौन से डॉक्टर रहते हैं?
Dr. Feroza Khatun, now she is on leave.
डॉक्टर राबिया है. डॉक्टर राबिया बस भी अभी प्रेजेंट में है. नॉट ऑफ है डॉक्टर फेरोजा मैडम.
तो ये बताएं आप एक कंप्यूटर पे क्या करते हैं?
He is the person who will tell.
आपका नाम बताएं.
जरा ऊंचा बोलिए.
शबीर पेशेंट्स के जो भी डाटा है पेशेंट का डिजीज पेशेंट्स के मेडिसिन के बारे में पूरा सिस्टम में अपडेट करता हूँ.
So I don't know if you could hear him, but he said that he gets the information about the demographics as well as the diagnosis. And Health Hyderabad, Mr. Khadri Saab and his group has been very good and very efficient in sending us the information on a regular basis, so that not only do we know how many patients are visiting the clinic, we also know the diagnosis codes and know what is the number one illness that they are coming for. For example, the number one illness is actually diabetes, and followed by a number of other common illnesses that include, to my surprise, skin disorders, dental illnesses, lack of immunizations, hypertension, and a whole slew of female illnesses. The morning clinic is actually staffed by the female physicians, and they get. कितने लोग आते हैं सुबह में आप तक? We are now running 80 patients in the morning, 80 patients in the morning, and in the afternoon clinic
35.
about
35 to 40.
35 to 40. So in a day, this clinic is seeing 120 patients. Shall I? Walking here.
These young girls are doing.
Hi, come on over, come on over.
Come.
Also visiting, can you tell me your name? Pooja. Pooja and Ashurya, who are visiting the clinic for the first time here, but and we are hoping that we will motivate them and recruit them so that they can do some cancer screening for our patients. Would you be able to say anything?
We just actually want to know about the organization, get to know some more about the organization, and I think it's just a beautiful way to help people.
Thank you for coming. And you, as you notice, this clinic is a free clinic. We give medications all the way. And it's the way of people like me who grew up in India but are now living abroad just to assuage my guilt. That's all it is. But it is. But we're lucky to find wonderful people who can help us. And you'd be impressed with how clean this place is. It will meet the standards of any clinic anywhere. आपका नाम बताएं? Zahra Begum is our ayah and she's been here for a while. So let's walk over into the next room. Do you mind if
Dr. Saab, Dr.
So this
Dr.
is the
Zia.
area where the physician said this is Dr. Zia, and we are lucky to have Dr. Zia. I've known him for a long time. He's actually a professor of forensic medicine at Dakkan Medical College, but he has also been kind enough to give us his time in the afternoon. Would you like to say anything?
Nothing to say, but the thing is this is a very good thing for the poor, and all the poor they are beneficial from this clinic
Right.
because we are charging only 15 rupees.
For the consultation. But medicine we are giving
medicine,
free of cost.
everything, 15 rupees.
Right. We already said that. So,
Doctor,
yeah, Dr. Imad, would you like to say anything you want to add? Anything?
Hyderabad is helping all the people. They are going broad. And Hyderabad is helping all the people. Going to the poor and poorest people. Inshallah, progress. Dr. Javed is helping us.
So I don't know if you could hear him, You know, the Hyderabadis are very soft-spoken. You can't hear anything they say. I think they grew up watching Dilip Kumar, so they eat up half their words also. But anyway, so what he was saying was the Help Hyderabad, which is our partner organization, is this. And as I said, as Lily mentioned, we are part of AMP. So it's an MP and Help Hyderabad joint venture, if you speak. Help Hyderabad does a lot of other things which are extremely laudatory and wonderful. But that is a different thing. We'll concentrate on the clinic itself. If I could, if you don't mind,
Doctor.
This is Dr. Rabia Basri, and she's helping out Dr. Farzana, who is away on a personal leave for a month and should be coming back. And you are here in the morning as well, right? Would you like to say anything if you wish? You don't have.
कुछ आप बोलना चाहेंगे तो बोलिए. How you feel comfortable? कैसे भी आप?
बस मैं यहाँ तो 15 डेज हुआ मैं ज्वाइन कर, लेकिन यहाँ का पेशेंट फ्लो तो बहुत अच्छा है और रिस्पॉन्स अच्छा है. इसमें 15 रुपये 15 रुपीज़ में 3 डेज की मेडिसिन, ये तो बहुत अच्छी बात है. यहाँ पेशेंट तो बहुत आ रहे हैं यहाँ पर.
आपका नाम?
बीबी आपका नाम क्या है बोलिए.
रायना भी. आप अगर आप बुरा नहीं माने तो एक आप सवाल पूछो आपसे. साहब से बताएं कि आप ये पहली दफ़ा आई हैं या जी. तो आप आज मिसाल के तौर पे किस वजह से आई हैं? कौन बीमार है? आप भी नहीं आए. तो आप यहाँ पे आप जब आती है तो कितनी देर इंतज़ार करना पड़ता है? जल्दी हो जाता है. तो और आप मुतमईन हैं ये क्लिनिक से? नहीं है. ठीक है. So let's walk out here. So yeah, this is the room. This is a side room which is basically empty now, and there is another room over there also which is being used as a storage room. Both of these rooms have area that can be expanded. So let me introduce a couple of people, then I'll stop talking. This is Mrs. Sabah Qadri, Major Qadri's wife. She used to be an event planner. She still does that a little bit on the side, but she decided that the thing to do with life is to help people, and she has given up that very lucrative and demand, and she was very much in demand job of being an event planner, and she's dedicated herself full time to this work with Help Hyderabad, and again helping with this MP clinic. Right next to her is my wife Nahi, and
Who's
she's
just visiting. Who's just visiting.
Nahi is very modest, but hopefully one of these days in this room she'll be doing robotic devices.
Inshallah, inshallah.
Why not? You should always think. So let me stop here, and if you don't mind, Mrs. Saab, if you come close to Salam, and Abia Zain, So the mic is yours. Please tell us about the experience that we have had at clinic for the past 4 years, and where were we, where are we now, and what are our deficiencies, and where do you think we can go? So please take
So
it.
let her begin. Sabah, to please kindly talk about as to how we started this before for more than 5 years, and then after that how we have improved whatever thing. Kindly, camera is yours.
Yeah, initially we started with medical camps, and we hold medical camps in very big function halls. So at a time we used to have between 2,000 to 3,000 patients visiting our camps for half a day. Just in half a day we used to have 2,000 to 3,000 patients visiting, and we had to close the gate. And at that time we used to feel very bad that we are sending back the patients. Just giving them immediate medication and sending them back without attending to other problems. So we have had 55 medical camps all over the slums of Hyderabad and Sikandrabad, and more in the old city. because Old City requires this more than Sikandrabad. So we've had most of the medical camps here in the function hall, and then after that we started on Sunday clinics. Every Sunday we used to have 2 doctors sitting in some function hall or a school and attending to patients. And I remember we used to have almost 300 patients coming in for a Sunday clinic. So very close to this clinic, there is a school. They used to give us their school for Sunday for holding the medical camps. So we started with these Sunday clinics, and they're very, very popular. And so with, after a lot of survey and deliberation and consultation, we decided to launch a full-time clinic in Falaknuma. Though a lot of our members were against, even Asma and Colonel Ali were against this place because they're saying it's too far for us to come and look after the place. A lot of our members were against this, but I said coming far is okay, but then we have to establish in a place which requires it more than anything else. So that is how, and with the advice of our doctors who have been in the camps and a Sunday clinic, we launched this clinic, and we are Health Hyderabad members are very happy with it because I think this is one of our best clinics. We have clinics in Borabanda, Rasulpura and other places, but this is the best clinic that we can say because it's doing good business right from the beginning. Business means attracting the patients who require our services.
Can you tell us what the census was when you started out 1 year ago or 2 years ago, and what is it now?
When we start, the day we started, from that day onwards, we are receiving almost 80 to 90 patients per day, and we have increased. In fact, at times we have almost 200 patients also. During summers we have less patients. During winters and rainy season we have more patients. But just now I was just studying the average number of patients we are getting is 75.
And
that is the average.
That is during the daytime, etc. Like the other doctors have just said, the nurses also, that when it is peak time or something, the maximum strength that we get is about 120 odd patients, 100 to 120 patients a day. To service so many people is not a small thing, and I think whatever job Health Hyderabad, with the help of the AMP, Dr. Javeed, who is the president of AMP, we are rendering some thing which even a very big hospital cannot do. Having gained the experience, like she said, about conducting camps, etc., then we decided that instead of referring them to different hospitals, etc., we must as well have a place where we can do some kind of a follow-up treatment. Even now also when the specialists, etc., come, then we have consultation physicians, etc., and super specialists, etc., whom we said, like Dr. Javeed, while introducing, said that we are getting a lot of skin diseases, etc. One of our vice presidents, who incidentally is not here, is a dermatologist, and he sees those patients, and similarly we send it to other hospitals, etc., where we have with them an understanding, and they charge very less, and that is how we are able to render a very good service, and we continue to strive to better every single day, and we are getting the feedback, etc., from the patients, from the people in the locality, and with the help of Dr. Javeed, who's doing his best to mobilize funds, etc., for us. I'm sure in the days to come we will be able to have more facilities here, inshallah.
How many specialists do you have visiting this place?
So, weekly or twice a month?
Once a month we get skin specialist, and orthopedic doctors we are trying our best because there are a lot of ortho cases here. But I think since we started the clinic, only about 4 to 5 times they have come.
That is one of our goals. One of our goals in the future is to get specialists. Right now we are not. But आप बताएं कि what do you think we should be looking for in the future?
Actually, the day we started this clinic, and we are very satisfied because a lot of poor people are getting help with this, and we are also satisfied, and the patients are very happy to get all the medicines in time, and whenever they require some specialist attention, we refer them to the specialist doctor, and they get help there also.
So how long do they have to wait before they are seen?
नहीं, ज़्यादा देर तो ठहरना नहीं पड़ता है। वैसे हम लोग का मकसद था कि ये स्लम्स में गरीबों की मदद करना, तो शुरू से हमारा यही मकसद रहा कि हम कैसे किस तरह से मदद करें गरीबों की। तो अपने तरफ से किसी को फ़ायदा हो, तो हम ये सोच के जो है ये कैंप्स लगाए, फिर ये जो क्लिनिक का आइडिया, ये जो सुबह आया, हम लोग का मकसद यही था कि अपनी तरफ से कैसे हम मदद कर सकते हैं लोगों की, जितना हो सकता है हम। और अगेंस्ट इसलिए थे, जैसे सवा मैडम ने बोला कि हम लोग अगेंस्ट थे दूर रहने के, इसलिए कि दूर रहने से जितनी हम खिदमत करना चाहते हैं उनकी डेली रोज़ाना की तरह, तो वो नहीं कर पाएंगे। तो हम सोच रहे थे कि आसपास होने से, नज़दीक होने से डेली एटलीस्ट हम जाके देख सकते हैं, बल्कि ये डर था। अदरवाइज हमारा मकसद